Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you what is the use of control block in scripts. So let's start. Wait 1 second. This block pauses the script for the specific amount of second. Let me show you with an example. Okay. Wait, then move. Okay, understood? Repeat 10. What is the use of repeat 10? This block is used to repeat the script. Stack of blocks written inside it a give number of times. It saves a lot time and space. So let's understand with an example. Okay, it repeated 10 times the same thing. Okay, now next, forever loop. Okay, this is very important loop. It continues means it never ends unless the stop button is clicked. Okay, or anything, or you can just click stop all or the red button. Okay, so if I choose this and this, so it will forever going. Now stop. So I click this, it is suddenly stopped. This is clear now and forever is clear. Okay, if dash then loop. If then block executes the block written inside it only if the specified condition. If the condition is false, then the script written inside the block will be ignored. If the condition is true, it will work. If the condition is false, then it will ignore the script, whatever it is written inside the block. So, this is the example. Okay, this is the example. Now I will show you what happened. When it is touching to the edge, these are the edges. No, when it's touching, it is turning also. Okay, and I have put forever, so it is moving forever. Okay, let's stop. It stopped. Okay, this much is clear. Now next. Now, if or else. Okay, it is the condition. The script under if is executed if the condition evaluates to true. Otherwise, the script under else is executed. Let's see with the example. Okay, so this is an example. If touching the mouse pointer, say hello, else say woohoo. It's say woo. Okay, now next. Now we have wait until. Okay, this is the block. Now wait means wait until the condition is true, then run the block below. Okay, so here is an example. See, if it is touching the edge, it is just playing the sound of meow and turning 15 degrees and move for 10 steps. Okay, now next. Repeat until. It repeats the set of blocks written inside it until the condition evaluates the true. Means it repeats the code what is written here. Okay. Now what is stop all? Stop all I already discussed with you. That it is the feature that stops everything. You don't have to click this red button again and again. So this much was there, and I want to in my next class I will tell you the what is the use of sensing block. Okay, bye. Please like, share and subscribe for my more videos.